Hello friends, welcome to our another video lectures on spectroscopy. So today we discuss on splitting of signal in 1H NMR spectroscopy. This splitting of signal of chemical shift is measured by spectroscopy. This splitting of signal of chemical shift is very important for 2D NMR spectroscopy, because of in 2D NMR spectroscopy this chemical shift data to calculate to our another example of 2D NMR spectroscopy. So before we studied 2D NMR spectroscopy, we studied on the splitting of signal of chemical shift. So this method give data of proton and we determine carbon skeleton molecule structure. So let us start with the aspects of NMR. First is number of signal. So how many number of signal given by proton in molecule is already discussed in our another video lecture. So today we discuss on position of signal of chemical shift in 1H NMR spectroscopy, and also very important this chemical shift data in 2D NMR spectroscopy. So let us begin the start. Chemical shift. Chemical shift is measured in different molecule, and how kind of molecule, and in this molecule what kind of protons are present in molecule. So molecule have a aromatic, aliphatic, primary, secondary, tertiary, benzylic, vinylic, acetylenic, adjacent to halogen or heteroatom. These all are the primary, secondary, tertiary. We know very well the proton of this kind. So today we not discuss to this point. So on another point, such shift are observed due to shielding and de-shielding of proton. Remember this word, shielding and de-shielding protons. These two measure protons effect on the chemical shift. Then circulation of electrons means pi electrons about nearly nuclei. The nuclei have a proton or neutron, and neutron have a neutral charge and proton have a plus charge. So generates induced magnetic field. This induced magnetic field generated by nuclei that can either oppose or reinforce. This induced magnetic field is oppose or reinforce. Oppose means to opposite side and reinforce is to same side. And this induced magnetic field oppose or reinforce the applied magnetic field. When this induced magnetic field is opposed, mean opposite side to the applied magnetic field, it shielded protons, and when induced magnetic field reinforced, mean on same side the applied magnetic field is de-shielded. These shielded and de-shielded protons is have a require different applied field. These shielded protons require higher applied field is a shielding of fields absorption, is also called as a shielding of fields absorption, and in de-shielded protons require lower applied field is a Desilting downfield absorptions. So how this upfield absorption and downfield absorption we discussed on this topic. Here two example given. One is TMS. TMS means tetramethylsilane. Is tetramethylsilane is four methyl group have a same environment. And in another example of 18 aniline. In 18 aniline, these all protons in TMS, our absorption of field is 0.0, and in aniline two type of different protons are present. One is outer proton and another is inner proton. Here very important, to outer proton is required 9.3 theta of the energy, and inner proton is a minus 3 point theta. So how this is, then we discuss on another slide. Measurement of chemical shift. So reference materials of TMS. Our example of TMS on 18 aniline. So this data of TMS tetramethylsilane is how the measure of chemical shift. First is the inertness. Inert means inertness of all protons. Second one is all equivalent protons. We discussed already the equivalent or non-equivalent protons. Equivalent protons have a same environment and non-equivalent protons have a different environments. So here TMS of all protons have a same environment, then all equivalent protons. This TMS is volatile, so our boiling point is 27 ounce Celsius. Then fourth one is soluble in common organic solvent. We require a solubility of this compound to determine in spectroscopy. So is very easily to soluble in organic solvents, common organic solvents. Use as an external reference when sample. This TMS is also used as an external reference when sample is running. Then sixth one is low electronegativity of silicon, hence most shielded protons. Is the electronegativity of silicons is very low, so protons have a more shielded and the very stable. So all compound absorbs downfield to TMS. So in the TMS, but in exception, the inner protons of 18 aniline is absorbed not in downfield. So internal reference for sample scan in D2O is methyl protons of DSS. This sample we discussed, the sample is soluble or sample used as an external reference when sample. So D2O is the methyl protons of DSS. So this DSS of sodium 2,2-dimethyl 2-silapentane 5-sulfonate. This will structure given in slide. So chemical shifts are expressed in theta ppm. ppm is equal to parts per million. So how can calculate the chemical shifts? So theta is equal to observed shift in hertz into 10 raised to 6 by operating frequency. Example is 16 megahertz of is equal to, if the operating frequency is 16 megahertz, then chemical shift is observed shift Hertz into 10 raised to 6 divided by 60 into 10 raised to 6. Here 10 raised to 6 because of the 1 megahertz is equal to 10 raised to 6 hertz. So megahertz is converted into hertz. So delta is independent of operating frequency peak at 60 megahertz from TMS. This 60 megahertz will have value of chemical shifts is 1. Similar same signal in 100 megahertz will be given a 1 chemical shift. So this all data is important for our 1H NMR example and 1H NMR spectroscopy determine the molecule. So this spectroscopy data is very important for 1H and 2D NMR example. So remember this all data we will remember lifetime, and also this data is also used in our industrial interview. Cyclopentane, here the types of proton and give the value. So if this value this type of proton give this particular value of the chemical shift, so always we remember this value. So first is the cyclopropane is give point 0.2 and primary to 0.9 and secondary and tertiary vinylic, acetylic, aromatic, benzylic, allylic, fluorides. Here all different types of the chemical shift value. Also bromides, iodides, alcohols, ethers, esters, acids, carbonyl, aldehyde, hydroxylic, phenolic, enolic, carboxylic acid and amino. These all are the different. But here one thing is remember, higher value of the carboxylic and the aldehyde is chemical shift. So in example, if we require the value of the aldehyde or carboxylic, it here the value is nearby 9 to 10 of aldehyde and 10 to 5 to 12 is carboxylic acids, and by benzylic is the 2.2 to 3 is. These are I remember only 1 to 2 example, give only 1 to 2 example. You have to remember this all the example, but because of the our example in 1H NMR spectroscopy use. So here we show the induced magnetic field is reinforced or opposed to the applied magnetic field and produce the deshielded and shielded protons. Here induced magnetic field is given and in benzene or acetylene to give example. So in benzene the applied magnetic field is here in benzene applied magnetic field is the reinforced through the protons, and in B oppose applied field to the acetylic proton to aromatic protons are deshielded. Here the aromatic protons in the benzene because of the are the deshielded because of the we will show induced magnetic field is reinforced to the applied magnetic field, and in acetylene the induced magnetic field is opposed to the applied magnetic field. Then these protons are shielded. Here we show the cut of the induced magnetic field lines of force and circularity of electrons in the figure. These are the deshielding of protons. Here these two of the protons of shielded and deshielded protons in the spectroscopy. The splitting of signal. So this point is very important for us. This splitting of signals, when any exam or any interview, if we require to calculate of the splitting of signals by its proton, then the splitting due to environment of protons not with respect to electrons but respect to other nearby adjacent proton, means nearby adjacent protons means here example is given of nearby protons is our neighboring proton is present. So if the CH3 group, first we show the example, but before we show example we show this calculate how calculate of splitting of signal. Splitting of signal is a n plus 1 when protons of n number of is 1 2 3 4. I think 4 is enough because of the carbon have a lastly 4 valency. So n is equal to 1 to 4. So plus 1. And in another of the number of group also n is more, but n plus 1 mostly n plus 1 is 1 to 4. So n plus 1, the splitting, how if we calculate the splitting of signal, then n plus 1 when neighboring group protons carbon have a two number of protons, then 2 plus 1, then neighboring carbon have a 3 hydrogen means 3 proton, then n plus 3 plus 1 is splitting is 4, means 4 means first 0 is a different splitting. When 0 is the singlet, doublet, triplet, quartet is our example. So in this example CH3 group, CH2 group and Br group. Here in the CH3 group neighboring carbon have a two proton means 2 hydrogen. So 2 plus 1 is here. So CH3 group have a signal, splitting of signal is triplet. But in B carbon CH2 group, in the neighboring carbon or protons have a 3 protons. So 3 plus 1 means is equal to 4, means 4 means is quartet. Here we calculate a bromoethane, then the A number of carbon protons have a triplet signal and B number of carbon proton have a quartet signal. Here another example, A have a doublet signal and B have a quartet. Then another is A have a doublet and B have a triplet. Because of the n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is equal to doublet, and 2 plus 1 means triplet, and 2 plus 1 is equal to doublet. So here in signal from uncoupled protons, the spin combination for adjacent CS group is uphill and downhill to the applied or induced magnetic field. Then spin coupling with one protons give a 1 gem 1 doublet. So in give example the signal from uncoupled proton. You give the uncoupled proton, there the spin combinations for adjacent CS2 group have a electrons to the applied field. To spin coupling with the 2 protons give 1 gem 2 gem 1 triplet. These are the signal of protons. So we discuss this signal on the example. Here give the ethyl chloride example. Ethyl chloride means a CH3 CH2 Cl. If the CH2 have a and CH3 is B. Here the CH3 group, we show the data of the NMR, this data. So CH2 and CH3 group have a 0.9 and CH2 is a 1.3. But in our neighboring group, the chloride group is present to 3 to 4, means 0.9, 1.3 and 3 to 4. These three different kind of the value. So in this graph we show the splitting of the CH3 group, CH2 group. So this CH2, CH3 and CHCl3, these all are different. So here we show the chlorine group have a CH3, CHCl3 to signal on 7 to above 9, and in the CH2 group to value 3 to 4 and CH3 to 1 to 1.5. So nearby this value is fixed to the NMR proton spectroscopy. So these are the another example. So in the 112 tribromo ethane, here CHBr2 and CH2Br is also gives data to by our proton NMR spectroscopy data theta value, and 1 to 1 dibromoethane also example. Here CHBr2 and CH3 have a CH3 have a A and CHBr2 is B. Then A is given 2 to 3 value and B have a nearby 6 value of theta. These are the example of proton 1H NMR, how to really give a signal. Some more example are there. CH3, CH2 was ethanol, and another example is these all are the give signal different CH3 give 1 and OH group will give to above 4 value, and CH2 give to 3 to 4 value, and tertiary butanol is also give example. Here's OH group will give signal on for theta, and these all similar protons will give one CH3 groups in 1 point means 0.9 or nearby 1. The NMR spectra of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols in DMSO. This DMSO is the sample of dimethyl sulfur oxide. So these are ideal coupling. We discuss on coupling. So vicinal, geminal and long range coupling on another video lecture. So here we only show the coupling of V and delta V and J. They are the what the difference of delta V is greater than J, and the ideal coupling of CH3 and CH. Here CH2 will give 2 value and then CH give 3 signal. These 3 signals of delta V is also greater than J. Then how can this calculate and how to determine this? Then chemical shifts is different by its J value. Here we show in the example, here gauge anti and vinylic protons and vicinal protons. So we show the if the anti is here example we show anti is energy is 5 to 14 hertz, and if Gauss then his angle is and energy is 2 to 6 hertz. If the in the geminal protons we show the example C, if the C's value in the C's protons 2 to 15 hertz and trans proton have a 10 to 31 hertz, and in the another vinylic example the near protons the J value is 2 to 13 hertz. So angle is more important in vicinal, geminal or long range coupling protons. So here the give a value of delta V is greater than J. These are the value of the protons proton spin coupling constant. Here HB or HA geminal to 10 to 18, and vicinal have a value, and geminal is 1 to 4, cis is 5 to 14, trans have a 11 to 19. These are the structure we will show in the slides. So vinylic have a 4 to 10 and allylic is 0 to 2. and diene group have 10 to 13. In the benzene ring and the cyclic ring, the ortho have a 7 to 10 and meta have a 2 to 3 and para have a 0 to 1. These all are the value of splitting of NMR and chemical shift of proton NMR. These all value we use in NMR spectroscopy and also in 2D NMR spectroscopy. Very important. These all are value to determine the molecule structure in spectroscopy. Lastly, thank you so much for listening my video lecture for chemical shift.